working, I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good. Baby, I love you, I need you here with me all the time. Baby, we meant to be, you got me smiling all the time. Cause you know how to give me that, you know how to pull me back when I go running, trying to get away from nothing. Yeah, you know how to love me hard. I will not.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, SeANA, back up in this joint with another video. So of course, as you know, I cut my hair, and you know if you've been watching my videos. So I just wanted to do a quick video showing my current curly hair routine now that I have short hair. And basically I've been doing this sleek look, sleek, slick, wet look, and I've been loving it. I like it on short hair. I did a sleek, wet look curly hair routine a couple years ago when my hair was longer, and I thought, so why not do one now that my hair is short and I'm wearing my hair like that now anyway. So here's my hair right now, and yeah, I know it's looking crazy, but I just washed it the night before, okay? So it is freshly washed, and I just put some oils in it, okay? And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna re-wet it to style it. Now normally we may do this right, you know, fresh out the shower and everything when it's wet, but you know, I took a shower last night and didn't feel like doing that, so you know, I just wanted to go to bed and I just let it dry with just, you know, just some oils in it, okay? But we can just re-wet it the next day, so that's what we're doing, okay? Yeah, so just re-wetting it with a spray bottle, getting it pretty wet. It doesn't have to be soaking wet, but just a pretty good level of dampness.
Me, I got ice on me, no time. I got ice on me, I got price on me.
So here I'm showing you that I put that olive oil moisturizer. That's what I put in it last night. So that's what I already have in it. Plus I put a mixture of olive oil and coconut oil in it. And today I'm just putting a little bit more in it. So yeah, that's what we're starting off with.
Atlantic, I spoke these words just like I planned it, but off the dome. From different planet, and you ain't from, won't understand that. Cause you ain't been, you ain't.
So then I like to put in a, you know, a light leave-in type of conditioner, but I'm just using this Aussie conditioner. I use that as a leave-in sometimes, so I'm just putting that kind of lightly throughout my hair.
But I just ride and I just slide on every beat, and I just glide, and I'm so high that I lost my second thought from my third eye.
And then I like to go over it with this curling custard, and this one is by Sexy for Life. It's my mom's natural hairline, and it's made with all natural ingredients, and this one is really good for defining curls, but it leaves your curls still feeling soft and kind of fluffy at the same time, if you know what I mean. So you need to get some of that in your life, but you can hit me up if you're interested in it.
Ice on me, I got ice on me, ice on me, I got ice on me, no time.
Okay, so this is what I actually use to get the sleek wet look. It's this Eco Styler gel, and this is the black castor with flaxseed oil one. This one is the shiznit. Because the thing is, you want to use a gel that's really going to lay your hair down and kind of, you know, elongate your curls a bit. You know, where once it dries, they don't completely shrink up all the way. And in the other video that I did a couple years ago, I used the Aunt Jackie's gel. I believe it was called Aunt Jackie's Elongating Gel. It had flaxseed in it. Anyways, that was a really good gel. It really lays the hair down, and I feel like it keeps the curls from completely shrinking. I mean, they'll shrink a little bit, but they don't completely shrink. Like, it still looks, I mean, they still kind of hang, and it lays down. Like, if you want your hair to lay down, then that's a good gel to use. And I feel like this castor oil one of the Eco Style gel, I feel like this one works similar. It kind of gives the same result, so I really like this gel for that too. And as you can see, notice that I kind of did some sections. Like, I started with just doing the back section first, just raking the gel all the way through to the ends, because I feel like if you really want it to like lay down good, then you have to get under those layers of it too, you know. Yeah, and just rake through as much gel as needed, okay? Just, if you need to use a lot, then use a lot, because that's what's really going to lay it down, is to pretty much saturate it like, it has to be well coated in the gel, and you know, to really lay down. And then I like the front to be really slicked down, so I'm just using more gel in the front and using a brush to really slick it down, smooth it down, tucking it behind my ears to make sure I just want the front to be slicked down pretty flat.
In the city where you gotta be so thorough. When I'm riding in a whip, I just forget about the world. Came up in the city where you gotta be so thorough. Shit, I'm riding in a whip, I forget about the world. Riding in the whip, I just forget about the world. Riding in the whip, I just forget about the world. Riding in the whip, I just forget.
And then of course, last but not least, time to lay down those edges, those baby hairs. You know how we do. And yeah, here's the finished look. The nice sleek wet look. As you can see, it's laid down, and you could put a headband or a scarf on it for a little while to make sure it really stays laying down, but I didn't. But it still pretty much dried just like this. And you guys, I'm actually loving my hair like this, even though I said I do not like short hair on me, which I don't, because I still can't wait until my hair grows back longer. But it's just the fact that now that my hair is, you know, like, it's healthy, like I can actually wear it curly though, like where before it didn't look right with all the thin ends. So now it's like it actually looks normal, even though it's short, but it just, like, I just feel like it's popping. And it's just knowing that it's gonna look so good as it grows out longer. But make sure you check out previous videos if you haven't, to see my story on my situation and why I cut my hair.
I just forget about the world. Riding in the whip, I just forget about the world. Riding in the whip, I just forget.
So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed. And yes, I'll see you in another video. Bye. Peace.
Who got the keys? Got the keys to my beamer. Simma. Who got the keys? Got the keys to my beamer. Niggas and beamers. 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 Troll wanna pull from the back. Wanna